In this training, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, disclosures, and regulations. And this is not legal or financial advice. Please consult with an expert on your own. That the affiliate marketing industry is regulated. So the big thing you want to think about is just be ethical and transparent. So as an example here, you can see on our recommended tools page, we immediately mention this page contains some affiliate links. And then down at the bottom of the page, you can see here an affiliate disclosure. Um, so what this says is, hello friends, this page contains some affiliate links, which means we may receive compensation from the companies whose products we recommend if you click through our link and decide to make purchase. We only recommend top quality products and our companies that we believe you would benefit from, that we trust or use ourselves. If you make a purchase through an affiliate link, it will not cost you more. Any affiliate earnings that goes to LifterLMS is greatly appreciated. Thank you for your support. So we're very open and transparent about having affiliate links here, and we're just being above board and ethical with that. So that's just something to look into and consider, because it is a regulated industry. So do your own research, consult with your own professionals, and figure out how you want to do that. And also something related to this is income claims. So in a previous video in this training, we talked about how we make thousands of dollars per month doing affiliate marketing, which is 100% true. And so that is a true income claim. But what an example that you wouldn't want to do is purchase this product and you will make $1 million because you have this product. That's an income claim that is unsubstantiated. So you just have to be careful with those things, just like you have to be careful with legal and disclosures and regulations in any industry. But the main thing is it's important to build trust with your audience and be ethical in what you promote. Like, don't promote something just to make money. Promote something because you believe in it, you like it, and it's fine to share the results you got with the product. You can't like guarantee that somebody's gonna, make a ton of money just by purchasing something through your affiliate link. That's not allowed. So that's just something to look into and just be aware of in the affiliate marketing industry. But if you're a trustworthy person, you're ethical, you communicate well, you're very likely not to run into any problems at all, as we have never had any issues at all. And many of the great affiliates I know, this is a non-issue. But as this is part of a training about affiliate marketing for beginners, I just want to make sure you're aware of the importance of affiliate disclosures and that this is a regulated industry.